The lane departure warning, or LDW, activates at speeds of approximately 37 miles per hour and above when the lane markings are clear. The system monitors the lane markers on the traveling lane using a camera unit located above the inside mirror. When the camera detects that the vehicle approaches the left or the right side of the traveling lane, the system warns the driver with a warning light and intermittent steering vibration. When the LDW is activated, the vehicle information display shows the lane markings as bright lines in the assistance graphic in the display area. There may be instances when you want to turn the lane departure warning system off. You can push this switch to turn the system on or off. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Driver Assistance, Lane, then Warning LDW to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.